I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the essential facts: which entities exist, what key fields matter, and which relationships drive queries. Once done, set a clear scope so you avoid endless detail. Focus on core tables first. Make sure to pick a notation you and stakeholders understand, such as crow's foot or simple boxes. Now open your diagram tool and create the first entity boxes, add primary keys, and sketch one-to-many lines. Those first visuals immediately reveal gaps to fill. You now expand each box with attributes and clear data types so developers know exact storage needs. While filling fields, explicitly mark primary and foreign keys and annotate constraints like not, null, or unique. These matter for validation. Once done, resolve many-to-many with join tables and draw cardinality symbols. This clarifies integrity rules. Make sure to group related entities and use color or swim lanes for domains so the diagram communicates both. You finish by reviewing the full diagram with engineers and stakeholders to catch semantic errors and missing relationships. Once done, generate an implementable artifact, export a PDF for review and SQL DDL for the database team. Make sure to normalize or denormalize deliberately based on performance needs. If things go wrong, check for orphaned FKs and circular dependencies first. Those are common pitfalls and usually reveal incorrect cardinality or missing join tables that you can fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.